there and welcome to this X8R video demonstrating the installation of our internal van door lock, suitable for the Fiat Ducato, Citroen Relay and Peugeot Boxer within the years of 2006 to 2014. It is now quite common for people to convert their vans into mobile camping units where the main body of the van is used as a sleeping space. This new product now gives you the ability to lock the van from the inside, providing your van with added security. Our kit is made from 304 grade stainless steel and comes with a secure linch pin. Our bracket also comes with a storage hook so the pin does not get lost. In order to install our kit, you will need a T40 Torx driver. In our kit, you will receive one linch pin, one left-hand side bracket, one right-hand side bracket with pin storage, two alcohol wipes. Before you remove any parts, use the alcohol wipes provided to remove any grease or debris from the working area. This will help to ensure a true fit. Using a T40 Torx driver, remove the 6 Torx screws that secure the door latch frames. Now that the latch frames are loose, wipe away any build-up of dirt between the door and the steel latch frames. The surface is now prepared. Install the new brackets using the original screws. Be sure to leave them loose at this point so you can line the brackets up and tighten them once sure of the positioning. You can now tighten the screws to fasten the brackets in place. Once the brackets are installed and tightened, you can test them for suitable fitment to ensure that the brackets are in the correct position. This now completes the install. This kit is now available to purchase on our website www.x8r.co.uk and the product code is X8R0241. Thank you for watching this X8R video. If you have any comments or questions, please do not hesitate to contact us on the telephone number or email address on the screen.